This is your Oncor WeatherCurrent update for Wednesday, March 13th. I'm meteorologist Kaiti Blake. Well, today, the midpoint of the week, it's going to be warm and breezy out there, but by tomorrow, by Thursday, severe storms return to the forecast for parts of Texas, and rain chances are actually going to continue and extend into the upcoming weekend. So plenty to talk about, but we'll start with today. It's going to be a warm one out there, upper 70s, low 80s for your temperatures. A lot of the state's going to be pretty humid, muggy with a south wind in place, and temperatures won't change much for Thursday, but what will change Thursday is the added potential for thunderstorms, some of which will be strong to severe. So here is the setup for storms for Thursday. A low pressure system draped across the central plains there, a warm front to the northeast, a cold front to the west, and to the south, this yellow line, that's a dry line. And a dry line just separates very dry air from very humid air. That contrast in humidity can act as a trigger for thunderstorm development, and that's what we'll see play out as we get into Thursday afternoon. So I've taken that storm setup and put it over top of the severe weather risk for Thursday. Now, the severe weather risk peaks for parts of Arkansas and Oklahoma, that orange area, 3 on a 0 to 5 scale. But just to the south of that, one notch down, a 2 on a 0 to 5 scale, the severe weather risk for DFW, the Metroplex, Northeast Texas, Paris, Texarkana, Tyler, down almost to Lufkin, Waco, Mexia, a 2 on a 0 to 5 scale. For storms that will be capable of hail, damaging wind gusts, and tornadoes. So all modes of severe weather will be possible on Thursday. Now, you're not guaranteed to see all of that, but just know as we get into Thursday afternoon and evening, as you're commuting home, as you're doing any late afternoon, evening activities with the kiddos, storms will be possible then. Afternoon and evening is our timing here, roughly 3 p.m. to 11 p.m., give or take an hour or two. So make sure you're staying weather aware during this time frame tomorrow and that you have a way to receive severe weather alerts. Here's what radar could look like at times on Thursday through midday, pretty quiet, but as we get past lunchtime into the afternoon, we'll likely see storms begin to develop again across north, central, and east Texas, continuing through rush hour on Thursday and even into the late evening hours. Now, the later we get into the evening, the severe weather risk will start to go down as storms push away and into parts of Arkansas and Oklahoma. But even very late Thursday night into the pre-dawn hours of Friday, the cold front will move through. So west of that dry line, the cold front will push through with some cooler air in tow. There could be some additional shower and thunderstorm development overnight, but again, not expecting any of that activity overnight to be severe in nature. But what you'll notice about Friday, and this will be the case for Saturday as well, showers, storms are going to stay in the forecast. And even though we're not expecting any severe weather Friday or Saturday, that definitely could impact your weekend plans. So you'll want to continue to stay up to date on the forecast and weather aware through the weekend, with scattered storms remaining possible through the first half of the weekend on Saturday. By Sunday, rain chances start to drop off and will be cooler heading into the early part of next week. And make sure you're staying plugged in with Oncor on social media. We'll be sharing weather and safety updates with you over the next several days as the chance for severe weather Thursday and then those additional rain chances continue into the upcoming weekend. So make sure you're staying connected with Oncor. On behalf of myself and everyone at Oncor, please stay safe over the next few days, and we'll see you here next Wednesday for another Oncor WeatherCurrent update.